Hello friends, welcome back to my channel. Today we are going to talk about the defense sector, one of the fastest growing sector in the world and in India. In this video, we'll cover three simple parts. What is happening in the world right now, why you should consider investing in defense sector, and some important defense mutual fund in India. Everything in easy language, no complicated word. So let's begin. Friends, the world is not fully peaceful these days. There are ongoing tension and wars like Ukraine-Russia conflict, problem in the Middle East, and war is between China and Taiwan. Because of these, every country is spending more money to make their army stronger. In 2024, the whole world spent a record over $2.7 trillion on military. This is a huge 9.4% jump from the previous year, the biggest increase since the Cold War ended. Spending went up in every region: America, Europe, Asia, Middle East, and even Africa. Top 5 countries spending the most: USA, China, Russia, Germany, and India. These 5 alone spend 60% of the world's total defense money. Even in 2026, spending kept rising around $2.6 trillion globally. Countries are buying new drones, missiles, fighter jets, cyber securities, and AI technology. In India, defense exports are growing fast and the budget is increasing every year. So the defense business is booming worldwide. Now the big question is, why should you invest in defense sector? Government must spend money. Defense is not like a normal business. Even in bad times, country have to buy weapons and upgrade armies for safety. This gives steady and growing business to defense companies. Future wars will use drones, cyber security, AI. Because of all world tension, many defense funds gave 50 to 55% return in just last 1 year. Of course, nothing is 100% safe. If world tension reduce, growth may slow down. But if you believe the world will stay tense and India will keep growing its defense power, this sector looks very strong for next 5 to 10 years. In India, you don't need to pick single stocks. Just invest in mutual fund and ETF. Here are some important and popular mutual funds. Number 1, HDFC Defense Fund gave around 48% return in the last 1 year. Number 2, Motilal Oswal Nifty India Defense Index Fund gave around 54% return in the last 1 year. Number 3, Aditya Birla Sun Life Nifty India Defense Index Fund gave around 54% return in the last 1 year. As of today, when I am recording this video, the defense sector has shown very good performance. Remember, past return do not guarantee future return. Friends, this is not financial advice. Mutual fund investment are subject to market risk. Please do your own research. You don't need a big amount to invest. You can start SIP with only 500 to 1000 rupees per month. If you want long-term growth, this fund can be good option. What do you think? Comment below. Like this video, share with friend, and subscribe for more simple investing video.